Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles with orange. First, gather your ingredients. About 4 to 5 medium oranges, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water. Begin by juicing your fresh oranges to yield approximately 1 cup of juice. This simple method ensures a delightful, refreshing treat for any warm day. Now, let's prepare our delicious orange mixture. In a bowl, combine your 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir this vigorously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Then, add about 1/2 cup of water to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the orange liquid into each popsicle mold, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of space at the top. This allows for expansion during freezing. Next, insert your popsicle sticks into the designated slots. Place the filled molds into your freezer for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or until completely solid. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull on the popsicle stick. Your homemade orange popsicles are now ready to be savored. Enjoy this simple, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.